It's never gonna to make educational things in the personal life because when I watch I feel I am wasting my time. So how can we say that it's a reality?
Yes, some opinion. He say totally fixed and pre-scripted. According to him, yes. We want to say that all reality so totally fake and totally scripted things.
Not totally.
Maybe 90% or 80% pre-scripted. It means they are the not good and totally. You think totally waste of time according to you, but world not move according to you. In the India, in the whole over the world, million of person like the reality show. Million of person like it because they feel entertainment. No, they take that serious. Not they think anything. They release his stress by this show. Maybe they take some lesson about it. Just like we know the very well what is the reality of this person. Number of person only saw I am very good person. But if we spend 1 month or maybe 2 months with another person, then he really know what is my bad habit and what is my good habit. Everything it's a broadcast. Then you know very well. Maybe number of star, number of celebrity, they show off. I am very good, very religious person, very patriotic person. But if this span continue 2 months, 3 months with each other, then they know that really what it is correct. So reality show also give a chance to identify the person. It's my opinion. So I want to in favor broadcast on national TV. Reality show broadcast on national TV.
But as you are saying that the celebrities goes to the reality shows and they show their real face, but it is not true because you can see that celebrities do not go to the reality shows or they go as judge only. The common people goes to the reality shows or those are those people who are not really celebrities who have no value in the Indian cinema. And as you are saying that people are getting interest in these reality shows, then people are also getting interest in other vulgar things in the movies. Then it does not mean that it should also be broadcasted on the national TV.
But sir, we have to see like which type of vulgarity it is here. Like as much I see the reality shows, like there is no vulgarity in these type of things, and there are so many reality show like Dance India Dance and Nachle. So this is there is not like this type of vulgarity here, and you say like there is only celebrity who are judged here. So by the reality show, does the people get inspired because when they invite the common person, this will create a inspiration for all of the world that if a person stand on the stage, so it is the most important part of life of his or her life, and the reality show give this chance. So by
And a very strong point is that our society, reality show give a very good platform a common person to explore his quality, explore his skill. Just like Indian Idol, just like a talented show, just like number of these types of show. Maybe a common person can't reach this position. No any channel broadcast single his skill on the national TV because no any benefit. But these reality show give that chance on number of student, number of person. His career may be very good. Just like too much example in the society, you can say Abhijit Sana, Abhijit Sawant, and number of Salman. These are the very common person. No one identify him. Maybe they are a very good singer, but reality show give the chance, give the opportunity to polish these skills, and they are in recent time current scenario, they are very popular, they get very good success, they are very good person in the society standing. So I want to say give the opportunity also.
Yeah, first of all, your reality shows are made because they want to attract some particular audience. Let's say they are going to make a dance kind of reality. So they want to attack the dancing people who are interested in the dancing things, and when they create any reality show based on the entertainment and vulgarity, so they attack the younger people. So the younger people. So these kind of reality things totally change the younger mind, because they always keep busy the younger people in these kind of things, and younger people and most of the youth always try whatever they see in the TV. So they derive from the real education and qualification, because I have seen in many houses whenever, no matter what kind of reality show are on the TV, when they are watching on the TV, most of the parents are always complaining, why are you wasting your time? It's not a time, it's a time you have to invest your time in study. What does reality show? Reality show make us a habitual things. Means we used to reality, so we can't control if we have a important work. So reality show makes a lot of negative impact of the human life.
Yes, reality show too much impact in negative way of human life. So you don't know, really the youth completely break the rule of traditional education. They completely break the society thinking. A person of before earlier 10 or 20 years, it's a very old slogan is that पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब खेलेगो कूदेगो होगे खराब. But in current time completely changed. A person is a very good singer, maybe he earned too much money, fame, everything. Maybe you complete your graduation, you complete your IIT, you complete your engineering, you can't get success. The youth break all rules. Maybe they want to become a good singer, they want to become a very good player, they want to become a very good standing comedian. But earlier, 10 years before, you can't think our children may be comedian as a career. But Kapil Sharma, he is not an engineer, he is not any good, he has not a good educational degree, but present time he is too much popular and successful person only for the reality show. So reality show create a platform for the common person. You stand here and you show your skill, and after that you can take everything, maybe fame, name, position, money, wealth, everything.
Yeah, I would like to say, if you have a real talent, you don't need any kind of reality show, because we can take an example of Sandeep Maheshwari. He never went to any reality show, but he has a big company and Image Bajaj. So if you do best in your field, so you will become a most powerful person in your field. So because what happens when we go in the reality, so our personal life, they ruin our personal life, and we don't have much freedom, and we can't say if we go to any reality, so we find a lot of the negative things, and those are not good for us and the society, but we can't reveal them, because it's our compulsion. We contact the sign if we tell them in front of the audience, so we have to face lots of the issue in our career, and it may be happen we never get a chance. So because I started singing kind of, there was a singing reality show. When the judge passed a comment when the contestant completed his song. So contestant asked why was the I thought my singing was good. Why are you saying this? All of the judges were fired on particular contestants, and they say you don't have a sense how to talk judges. So we can't say anything wrong about the reality. So in reality,
Yes.
about it.
You are. I'm agreeing with you in your starting points, but at the last point we can't say like it is all up to the judge. Like if there is any reality show, so definitely there is any judge also there. So but first of all, the work of judge is to judge any participant. So if the judge say anything that you are doing wrong in this thing, so on this way they are a teacher, and you are talking about like the judge say so many things to the contestant, like this is not good, and so many ohms. So this is a job of that judge. Like if he can't say to that the particular contestant that you are doing bad, and in this way you are wrong. So how they will correct ourselves by the mistakes we get.
Actually, I want to give the reply. Your first point is that you give the example, Mr. Maheshwari. He is a very popular, very powerful, and very successful person. Maybe one or two example, but I have thousands of example. They take very good position by the reality show. Thousands of, maybe lakhs of example in the society. Everything, it means coin have two parts. But if you follow maybe good things, maybe some person something is bad, but more of the person, more of the thing they show gave the good talent.
Yes,
They-
like Arijit Singh. First of all, they
Kumar, the name is a very famous name, Sonu Nigam. He is also number of time, first time, Mr. Kumar Sanu, not Kumar Sanu, the name of the this is owner. I forgot his name.
Gulshan Kumar.
Gulshan Kumar. He gave the first time chance on the stage. Then he is the very successful person in the society.
Okay, I will come to your point later. First, your matter was judge can never be wrong.
Not sir, just like a teacher. Maybe teacher sometimes find number of mistake. If we take it's in a negative way, then it's very good bad teacher. If you take it positive way, I will polish myself. Then I will present myself in a very good manner. I will never give the chance to say anything bad.
What means if there's a reality show, we find anything negative, and we can't say negative things. So every show is going only in the one direction. Means the judge only will pass their comment, and contestant does not have any freedom to say anything about what he felt like about each comment. So because you will find when you see any reality, so judge cannot do never in their life whatever contestant do, because I have seen most of the dancers dance like who are judging, and those contestants they can never do these kind of steps, because
Yes, you are absolutely right. According to him, he said that maybe the contestant is more better compared to judge. Dinesh, the time is very different. When the judge practice, they are the student. Just I will give the example. When the Sachin Tendulkar playing the cricket, maybe not very fast bowler and too much technology, and maybe Don Bradman. No, maybe he can't face the speed of 150 kilometers, but there is a great. The scenario is that maybe the speed is 100 kilometers is very big, without use any safety guard. He faced. It means you can't judge both person in same era. Maybe he doing very well in the past time. You are very best in current time. The scenario is different. His scenario is different. You have too much resources. They have not. Maybe you have mic, you have number of technology, you can clear your voice, you have number of resources, you can do better. But in past time, I think technology, you can unique and your original voice. By this power, they take too much success in his life. Just like you can't say, you don't know about the Tansen and Bangalore. They can't use the mic. And thousands of person hear his voice very clearly. But in recent time, we are the 20 or 30% we use the mic. Why? Because my voice is not too much loud. We have not power. Then we can't say Bangalore is not good. They are not bad, good person. They are not good qualities. Because in recent time we create too much sound and too much best quality singing. They have also, but less of resources. They prove that his quality. So I want to say that we can't compare with those persons. Maybe they do very well if this set of resources they have.
But in time the judges do not just judge, they also demotivate the person, because sometimes you will see that the judge directly says that if you are going to choose this field, then you should leave this field because you cannot do anything. And in this way the person gets demotivated and he feels that he cannot do anything, and he just feel ashamed, and also he fears to go in front of the crowd.
It's a problem of person, because if a kumhar, a potterman not hit the pot, not make the good shape. If you fear any person say anything, I am demoralized, I am not do anything, it's your fault. You are not strong, internally strong. Maybe number of person comment on you, you are not good. Number of society, your comment on you, you are not good in your field. But leave your field. You are not believe on yourself. This reality show teach us, believe yourself. Number of times maybe you are failed in the number of show when the Indian Idol start in first time, 2 or 3 times girl she I forgot her name, she not select. But after in 10 and 12 show, she is very successful because she know that maybe I have some fault, need to improve myself, need to polish my quality, and then he tried again and again and again. And one day will become I am sit here and I will also join the Indian Idol team.
But every time the reality shows are not based only on your talent. Sometimes it is based on some your private things, such as you can see in Lockup the Kangana Ranaut asked Anjali Arora about some private things, and she explored it in front of the public about her Russian incident, and it also impacts a very bad thing on the mind of the youth.
So we just have to see like in which way she said like when she talk about like about the Russian thing that you are talking about on that way she can't explore its all thing like she said only some little things. After this she stopped suddenly. If you watch that video, suddenly she stopped because she don't want to tell the whole incident which was happened. So we can't say like the reality show always or like sometimes show the private things. They just only say this type only that much which is entertain the audience. They can't openly private. They can't say openly about their private things.
Because they cannot share the very little things, and but she have explored the things that were really done, and the crowd is not full. It understands everything, and you can see in the Big Boss platform. They just abuse each other and they just fight each other, and in this way they get famous. Then what kind of reality show is this? And if the children watch this, then what kind of impact will be there on the mind of the children?
But sir, I'm correct. I'm totally agree with you. But as you see, as you see, like when we watch Big Boss in our TV, so they when the abuse words were come, so that the TV or the setting of that TV stop that line. That if there any abuse words come, so they stop that word, and after this the continued conversation they will talk. So we can't say like that by the abuse words we just have to stop the reality show. So on the behalf of Big Boss, I want to say like that Big Boss is the only platform which say like react and do whatever you want to do, and this is the like perfect example on reality show. You do whatever you want, whatever you have in whatever skill you have. You just say anything, and we have so many examples of these type of things
I also
also.
give the very good example. I have no ideas about Sangram Singh. When he joined in Big Boss, then every person know that he is the Sangram Singh. Maybe, not maybe, he is a really very good wrestler. And his, if you read his biopic, then you know he is a very great personality. Maybe by this show, he take too much fame, and every person have a knowledge about him. What is the Sangram Singh? He can't use abuse. He can't use any bad thing. Only sensible way. He is too much popular and he get too much success. He have quality also in wrestling. He is a very good wrestler, but no one know him. He is an unknown person. But this platform give a chance and give a fame.
Okay, tell me one thing. Why they call only the famous person in their reality show? Because we are a common person. Why we are not invited in the reality show?
Of course, I will give you a very appropriate answer. If we count our total India population is 1.40 crore. It is possible to call, to search, to find 20 or 30% about 1.4 million person. No. So only few example, only few adopt few person on the Big Boss house, and they just like law of average. If 20% this type of reaction, now how can we manage in the home? They can't manage with his colleagues and another person live only 2 months or 3 months. It means if you manage, if you control your personal things, then you can easily live. Just like Sangram Singh and 2 or 3 example also in Big Boss. They can't survive with your arrogance in your family, in your society. If I can't live with this thing, I can't sacrifice without privacy. I want a single room. These types of little bit things, but they can't survive because they are the very arrogant person. They can't supportive person. They are not have a team spirit, so that the outcome from the house. A person absorb everything in very good manner. Maybe he survive in the society also, in the reality show also, in the career also. If my thinking, I am an arrogant person, I can't doing the job in any field. Maybe number of person attack on me and give something bad. If I am very good absorber, I absorb that and I will reply also, but right time.
But as you are saying that it is not possible because there is a population of 1.4 billion people in India. But it is not also a good thing that you will select that I will make a competition in these things because in these people, because you can see these Kerry Minati, Elvis Yadav, they got invitation from their boss that you should join our channel. And in this way, and they are not giving the chance to others. They are not, you can say that they are not giving any chance to the other people by a competition or by anything. They just selecting this that these are the famous people, and if we get them into the shows, then the people will watch them. It is just done by, it is just done for their TRP and not to make any famous person.
Yeah, I want to add some point. Why they call only the popular person? Because they very well know if we call this popular person, most of the followers, audience will come and our TRP will go up. So it's
Okay, I will give the appropriate answer.
so it's all about the money. And any reality show don't care about the common person qualities and talent. because they just want to make a money. They make a their reality show. It looks like it's a real show, but it's a totally fake, and they sell their reality show to a channel who can give them a good handsome money. So yeah, that's my point. It's all about.
Okay, okay. You say you describe about Big Boss. Every show have a pattern. Every show work on a limited pattern, just like Big Boss, just like Indian Idol, just like Talent Hunt Show, just like Roadies, this type of. Every show have a pattern. In Big Boss, only celebrity participate because it's a pattern. But in a Indian Idol, number of common person participate in Delhi. Maybe lakhs of person interest to take participation in the Indian Idol. And compared to Big Boss, too much successful Indian Idol, too much person, million of person like it because it gives the opportunity. But because I also agree why not give the chance to common person in the Big Boss because it's a pattern. Everything follow the pattern. It's the so good information. Yes.
All about TRP and
So, every person want to earn money. Every person, it's a total motto is that earning the money by this type of show and another way also. They Indian Idol channel also earn the money. They also earn the money. The path is same, but the way is different. Everything is by pattern. This is also good. It's also good, but lakhs of person absorb good thing by the Indian Idol. He know that if I am very good singer, maybe I also take the chance and I get too much success in my life because of this.
Have you ever thought how money comes to their reality show? Because these money are the common peoples of India. So the common peoples are innocent. They are only making a script like everything is real. But common people are common people.
I also explain one line. ये public है सब जानती है ये public है. Public are not innocent. They are very clever. Really, he know very well what is this.
Yeah, but you know, very top kind of mind works for their top kind of company. They know how to attract the people. Everyone know all kind of ads are fake. But people watch ads and they go to their shops and they go to their shops and buy their product because these people always know about their product when they see the product.
I also give a very good example. I have never seen or watched ad for the 5 by Sabun, but these are the very successful brand in Haryana. I don't think in the national level because it's the quality is good.
Yeah.
How can you say that only for by the advertisement and these are things person are very impact and purchase it. If you have quality, maybe it is the platform to introduce our product. Yes, it's my product. The quality is this. If you really that my product have this quality, then you use it. Maybe number of product in the market too much fail, but number of good celebrity give the advertisement but completely fail. Why? Because the quality. If you say that my product have number of quality, but if you use, you can't feel. It means completely fail in the market. Without quality, you can't survive in the market.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I like this point because in every reality show, based on the reality show, they are selling the product. Most of the company they give good money to the reality show, and you can say any kind of reality show, Kapil Sharma and any kind of, they always speak about their product. So why if it is a reality show, why they many times speak about their product? When shows start, they start the show from their product. When show also end with the many kind of product.
Okay.
So it's all about
because individual I watch every day number of time, number of hour television, but we can't pay the single rupee. But we can't a single rupee. This is the way to earn the money. We will provide you facility to watch everything free of cost. Just like in current time, World Cup, number of sports channels and Geo channels gave the opportunity to watch match free of cost. But the investing too much, maybe a million of rupee invest on this game. Why? Because they earn the money by the advertisement. It is a source of income.
Yeah, that's what. If really we have to entertain ourselves, so reality show is not good at all. Because in ancient time or older time, people go to fields and they play some physical works, but in this in the today's world, today time, there if people are entertainment yourself by watching anything so on the TV, so they do less physical work, so or it makes us ill we can say.
Sir, in past time also organized reality show just like drama, just like Ramayana, just like Mahabharata play the role. If you live in the village, you ask your parents. They also very interest to watch the drama, physical drama. It's a you can say it's a reality show. Number of person participate just like Ram, Lakshman, another they play the role in very good manner. This is also the way of entertainment. In past time, this is the reality show.
But this was not a reality show. Actually, this was a drama. Reality show means in which you show that the real things about you and you show your talent. But it is just you are acting on a scripture or you are acting on a pre-scripted words. Then you cannot say that it is a reality show.
So, pre-scripted in Mahabharata, Ramayana, every show is a pre-scripted. Every I also know that I also read the book Ramayana and Mahabharata and Gita also. But when we play on the show, we take too much interest because the way of the presentation is a very good manner. We too much take an interest on live show and you can say this types of drama because we know that when we read number of things, number of books also, but reality show gave too much peace and gave the too much entertainment, gave the too much you can say knowledge also.
Yeah, that's what reality show and the older time reality show, what is the difference? Let's say in the older time when any reality show was going on in the meantime they don't have any option to cut any scenes and they can edit it anything. But in the TV every show they cut most of the scene and edited the whole reality show and they present their reality show more entertainment and drama. Drama means they are only 20% reality and all other drama and fixing thing. But in the older time, we saw only the reality things. So what is the other person is playing in which role. But in today world, in today reality show, they don't follow and.
Sir, by cutting scenes, the people only wants entertainment. So this is only the purpose behind the cutting of scenes. Like we just only wants to see the entertainment and we want that we get entertained by anything. So we choose that reality show. So by cutting of these type of things, so the audience get more and more entertainment. And let me tell you about like the Kapil Sharma show. In Kapil Sharma show, one time, not like one time, most of the celebrities and anyone who came here, so they just simply said when we are bored or when we are bored, so we just seeing your show. By this we get happiness. And one time when he called soldiers, if you see that episode, so the soldier also said like when we are stressed, so we see your shows. By this we get entertained and and some things which I release from my sisters. So this take up good benefit for our country and for us also.
First of all, they don't cut the scene for entertainment only. They cut the scene because this scene will make bad impact on their show. So that's why they cut most of the scene, because when most of the audience get to know about what's going on behind the scene, and they can stop watching their show. So it is the intention they cut most of the scene.
So it is not like intention, it is all like
Rules and regulations for
rules
the
and regulations.
broadcasting.
Everything have rules, and on TV we also have like this type of things are not here.
I can't understand if there is any reality show, and what kind of rule we are talking about. Let's say something which is happening real. Why are you cutting scenes?
So, if you say when we start this topic, they use the abuse, they use the bad things. The same thing with it. They use these types of language, these types of problem. This is the very bad impact for our society, our young persons. So they cut the part of this thing, and maybe 1 or 2% chances that maybe this is harmful for the show. This is not good for his show and his society, the society. So it's a part. Best part is that you present yourself in a very good manner. If I have some problem, then I remove it.
You are saying to cut the worst part of the show, but what about the shows who are just made worst? As you can see in Big Boss, if you just cut the abusing words, then there is only dispute in the show. And if you see in Roadies, then you can see there is a famous abusing word that is famous on social media. Everybody uses it, but it is just on social media. If it is broadcasted on the national TV, then it will be shown by everyone, and you can see that people like the cinema, and also children, what they see, they use that words. If they are seeing hawkers in the roads, then they also copy them. Then if they see these kind of words are broadcasted in the TV shows, then they will also use these words in their common life.
But sir, it's not up to like one reality show. There are so many reality show, and you're talking about that like the people wants to do that type of thing. So we have also so many things, and so many examples are also there. Like if I talk about the singing show, like there is one contestant in singing show. By get inspiration from her. So the male contestant came in the semi-finales, and he said like by get inspiration of her, I am stand on this type of in this position. It is not like only the people grab the bad thing. There is also so many things which was good for people, so they grab
Just
it.
like we say, number of person copy bad thing, number of person copy good thing
Good thing
also.
also.
They know that if I am make too much strong, then I can participate this show, Brody. Maybe he doing work on his body. He make good health, good body also. It's a good thing. Inspired by the number of bodybuilders, number of this good physics person.
But you will see that people copy people do not copy the good things. They just copy
Million
the
of
bad
person
things.
Salman Khan, million of person follow the Salman Khan for the bodybuilding. Indian cinema, maybe he is the brand ambassador of the bodybuilding in the cinema, Mr. Salman Khan.
Okay, tell me about one thing. And there are also vulgarity reality show. How can we restrict them from children? Because every house has many children, so they have a remote. They can operate.
Simply you can block the
any
channel.
No, like which type of vulgarity you want to say? Like on reality show, there is only abuse words, which was restricted by TV that when the abuse words will came, so that word was silent. And the second one you are talking about, like the short clips you are talking about in so many reality shows. reality shows, so many girls who were wear the short dress. But this type of things is also here in our home and here in our society. And by this two vulgarity, tell me about the third vulgarity you are talking about.
Yes. We can't say कि vulgarity is
No,
what
you just
we are-
simply say the third vulgarity.
What we are thinking. Vulgarity we can also be consider if anyone is abusing. They are indirectly point out the some point. You know, if any reality show are ongoing on the TV, so they don't have the freedom to say anything directly, but they do indirectly way. So it make an impact on the children, and because it can divert the children mind and the young mind. So that's because TV and reality show, most of the people it's a simple thing. Whatever we see, we listen, we die in our mind, and those things are going on in our mind. So and people die in real life, and they have to face many problems and also met some kind of accident if they are watching movies.
So there is only two shows which show this type of like abuse words, and while other this there are so many reality show which show the good thing. And if you think like your children getting the wrong thing, so we have also like so many channels you can watch this type of thing.
Only one show is enough ruining every person's life.
So
only one show.
So by only that that one channel. So we have also so many of hundred of channels. So why you can't see this type of thing? If you sing wrong thing, so definitely the wrong thing you get. But if you sing the right thing, so it is like 110% sure you will get the right thing only.
Because most of the people they get a TV installed their house. Parents don't know about the what's going on the TV, and the children aware about the reality. So father goes to the his job, and they are not aware what going on. Only any children can show these show hidden from the parents. So and in this situation, how can we restrict these subjects?
In this way you are like in a very negative path. You can also think about like if the dad is if the father of that son of that children is not here, so he or she will see the good thing. They will saw the Lil Master, and they show the like Dance India Dance. Why are we only talking about like about there is only two channels, and here the vulgarity were also stopped by TV and so many things.
Because you don't know mind. Most of the people, if they are watching same show every day, so they get bored, they want to try something new, so they find out a new reality show. But so if they come across any this kind of reality show, so I am worried about what will happen to those children.
So first of all, I want to explain you the children. Maybe he is adolescent, he is a 14 year or less than 14 year or 15 year guys. Every children, every person like the show compared to his age. Just like if I am an elder person, mature person, I like the news channel. And student, they like the cartoon. I think very little quantity of the children like the both show, Roadies and Big Boss. Very little, because they don't take interest. They don't understand of the society. They don't understand the problem of the home. They want only entertainment. So they go for the Little Champion. They go for the Kapil Sharma. They go with the another big show. Only maybe I can't say 110%. Maybe 0.5% children watch this types of channel, because it's the natural phenomena. My age attract only those things, my age group things. Just like when I was in childhood, I too much liked toffee, biscuits, and number of play. But in current time, I am mature. I don't like this types of things. Same thing with this channel. If the children he or she number of children like the cartoon, number of children like little, so other things. Don't like this types of things. Just like we are not watch the just like Astha. Don't watch this likes of Sadhu and Mahatma, because we don't think about our old age. If old age person, 50 plus cross person, they like the Astha channel, they like the Bhakti channel, they like the other these types of channel, because his age match his interest. Same thing with the children.
But also you can see many people get attached to a celebrity, and they think that it is a reality show. And in the end, when they come to know that it is not a reality show, it is fully scripted, then it hurts them a lot. Because as you can see that there are many people who are supporting Elvis Yadav in the Boss OTT. But an image was got viral, and there as you know that in Big Boss OTT there is no mobile available, and you can talk only if you are getting out of the OTT, or if you want the OTT. But there is no mobile available. But there was a photo in which there was a mobile in the side.
He entered by the wild card. Some day, some moment, some time only. He is not permanent person. If you are not permanent, then maybe give the some relaxations also in the rural and revolution. It's the way of the reality show. Maybe some wildcard entry, some another person, some celebrity entered in the house, entered in the any show. Maybe they are only for few minutes, few hours, maybe few days. So they give the relaxation. Yes, you can use. So we can't say that we give the extra facilities and other things. It's also
But whatever the shows like Aapki Adalat, people sees these kind of shows a lot, and in which in these shows what is the name of that lawyer Rajat Sharma.
yes.
That lawyer invites celebrities and also big leaders, and they give all the answer because it is fully scripted. You can see that when there was a riots in Haryana on Jat election, then Manohar Khattar was also there, and he answered all the questions. And because I have also seen a video about like Prashant Kumar. I think you all know that. And there was a YouTuber who he said that I was inviting Prashant Sharma, Acharya Prashant, but he told me that you will ask me the questions that I want to be asked. And also if we don't like the video, then we will cut the parts. Then how can you show that
Yes.
these are reality shows?
Actually, number of politicians, number of celebrity, if they participate, just like Aapki Adalat and their channel have also some decorum, maintain your question, not affect the security of the national security, maybe its effect or if your one thing maybe start any violation in the country, in the society. So maybe we think that it is a ban of our freedom, not, because you, according to you, it's a very good, but he know very well if his a bad comments destroy number of things, start violence in any country, any place. So this is, so you can't use these types of things, because number of politicians, number of another channels, they sue on him, they case on him.
So how can we say this is a reality show? Because we are showing only the good
Sir,
things,
so means
only the
not,
one
sir,
direction.
so
one
means
side.
not
We are hiding
you
other
do
side.
everything. So means not if you stand in this chair and you speak everything, maybe it's a danger for our society, our country, maybe it's affect our country security. You can't speak. Freedom is I can't do anything. No, freedom is in a decorum, maintain a decorum, you explain your ideas, you give your view in a very good manner.
Okay. Have you ever seen any content complaining about their show, in which show he is currently currently performing.
Sir,
I have never seen any.
Sir, actually, when a person not select, when they complain, if a person not doing as he want to do, then he complain. This types of funny things
You mean
happen in the
if
society.
if we don't select, so we see only negative things. If we select,
Of
we will
course.
find only positive things. There is no negative thing.
Can we review the session? You have only 1 minute, 30 second you, 30 second you. You can summarize your session. Can you please review your session? You have only 1 minute. 30 second like what you.
First, actually, the session is very good, and we absorb number of good thing about the session. And according to me, every person have power and have rights to say his views, and both are the very good. It's a very knowledgeable session. Very good. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, we are talking about reality. So in reality, so most of the things would be scripted, but here anything is not scripted. We were just talking about in whatever are coming in our mind. So it is all the real facts.